Cześć! Hi everyone! Today is a weird day because I feel more homesick than I usually do. I don't know why, there isn't a specific reason, maybe it's the weather, but what I'm gonna do is that I declare tonight a date night. So what we're gonna do is just dress up and I'm gonna prepare the most delicious meal that I love. Lamb lollipops. First time my husband tried them, he called them a candy. They mix with tarragon, with garlic, with some brown sugar. I'm gonna top it up with asparagus and then with mashed potatoes because mashed potatoes are just the king and queen of comfort food. So let's start. We will start with rubbing all the spices on the lamb chops. So first thing you need to do is you need to assemble all the spices. So I have here a quarter of a cup of brown sugar and I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of tarragon. Next I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of grounded garlic, 2 teaspoons of ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, pepper, and mix it all well. Take a lamb chop, just dip it in. Make sure that all the spices are well rubbed in. After you marinate all the lamb chops, make sure that they stay in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. So the perfect addition for my lamb chops will be mashed potatoes. It will be. I have a helper today. So I have here about 6 rooster potatoes. They are about this size. I already peeled them. Now I'm gonna cook them until they're soft. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg and half a cup of milk. Teaspoon of salt. And mash them all well. Second simple side dish that I'm going to serve with my lamb chops is asparagus. I love that recipe because oven does everything for you. What you're going to need is asparagus, some lemon zest, and some hot chili or cayenne flakes. First wash and then break the hard ends of the green asparagus. Next, zest the lemon from the asparagus and then drizzle some oil on top of it. My oil has already a sriracha and chili flakes in it, so I am not gonna add any other spices. Also, don't forget about salt and pepper. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it in the oven. I preheated the oven to 125 Fahrenheit and I'm just gonna put the asparagus for 15 minutes. So after about 2 hours of refrigerating and then marinating in my spice wrap, I'm gonna start to cook them while my asparagus is getting ready. So I'm using an iron cast, but if you don't have one, you can use also a grill or a normal pan. I preheat. It's pretty hot right now. I like my lamb chops medium rare. I keep them quite thick, so then I can cut it in the middle, and I'm just gonna start with one. I do have, however, friends and family members that don't tolerate rare meat or any kind of rareness, so I'm gonna keep that cooking for about 3 minutes on each side and then put it in the oven for about 3. It is just ridiculous. It's sweet and the taste of lamb, it's just brilliant. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you like that video, please leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe for future recipes from Polish Mama Cooks. Thank you. SMACZNEGO.